Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Let's look at the reset cycle. It's seen it with a few people I know and some clients. I hope you're having a great day and let's dive into it. So, breaking the reset cycle. It's something that we all want to do, and we're going to look at this and have a heart-to-heart about the reset button. Look, we've all been there, and maybe it was a long holiday, a weekend, or just a stressful month. And suddenly those ads for 3-day juice cleansers or detox teas start looking really tempting, or if you've had a naughty meal over the 2 days on the weekend, the marketing's fantastic, right? And it's brilliant. It promises to scrub your insides clean like a sponge, but here's the truth. Your body wants you to know you don't have a reset button because you're not a laptop and you're not some sort of speaker setup where you can reset your music and press a button on and off. Your liver, kidneys and lungs are already a high-tech 24/7 detox team. They don't need a celery juice infusion to do their jobs. What they do need is the right environment to thrive and support. So instead of fast, let's look about the 3 things your body is actually looking for. It's not about a quick fix, guys. These detox things do my head in. First up, we look at consistency over intensity. Consistency, be consistent, you won't lose. When we swing between overindulging and restricting, we put our blood sugar and our hormones on a roller coaster. Our body loves, predictability, right? So instead of fast, try focusing on protein, fiber, fat, and you won't go wrong. And do this with every meal. You'll never go wrong. And why? It stabilizes your energy so you don't crash at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. My coach tip: don't focus on what to take out. Focus on what to add in, like an extra handful of greens or a scoop of lentils, a little bit of can of chickpeas. Give your body the building blocks it needs to repair itself naturally. Let's look at the internal shower, hydration and fiber. Second, your body needs a better flow. Think of it as an internal shower where, you're having a shower. You shower your body, shower your inside. It cleanses usually and just act as an expensive diuretic. These detoxes, nah. If you want to feel cleaner and less bloated, and you need to do the duo of cellular hydration and, fiber. Cellular is like electrolytes. It's not just chugging gallons of water. The electrolytes, as I mentioned, and sipping steady so your cells absolutely absorb it, and they actually absorb it. Fiber, this is the literal broom that sweeps through your digestive tract like a broom, like when you sweep the floor. The reality check: you can't flush toxins if your digestive system doesn't have the fiber to move things along. Skip the juice, which removes the fiber, and eat the whole fruit instead, which is better. It has a skin, and the skin does contain vitamins. And we want to look at now nervous system regulation. Finally, this is the one important thing that most people miss. Your body needs your circadian support, and that's why I sit in the morning, 10 minutes of sun, fabulous in the morning. And we often mistake burnout for toxins. If you're feeling sluggish, it's likely not the pizza you ate, it's your dysregulated nervous system, and your body does its best to detox and work while you're in a restful sleep and in a deep sleep. Instead of a 7-day fast, try a 7-day screen fast after 9 p.m. You know, you want to get back into the sync of your natural clock. When you lower your cortisol, and I talk about this a lot, your body finds its natural balance and finds its equilibrium. It's a very hard word, you know. And the bottom line, you don't need to punish yourself to be healthy. It can come consistently and it'll come naturally. Real wellness isn't found in a bottle of green juice. It's found in the boring, beautiful basics. Feed yourself well, move a little, get some sleep, and your body already knows what to do. You just have to give it the tools to do it. And, you know, I find this with everyone I know and my clients and people who've spoken to. It's like, this is so important that you just slow down and listen to your body. Anyway, like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, come check out my school community, Happy Gut Hub, and like and subscribe for more. Bye. Hi everyone, here's my QR code below for school. SKOOL, Happy Gut Hub.